to another video.
Yeah, we're making some cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies.
So we have eggs.
Yeah, these are all your ingredients. Eggs, sugar, brown sugar, flour, baking soda, vanilla, tablespoons, melted butter, salt, a bowl, a mixturing cup, a blender, and
You can actually see that.
Okay, so first we need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. We already did that just to get a head start. Okay, so we have instructions right on this truck. Right on this truck. Chocolate chip cookies, which we should. All right. So.
You should have just told.
All right. We will be back after a brief intermission. All right. So I was trying to show the recipe, so I'm gonna close the bag. Okay. So here it is. I think you can see it. Okay. So. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, first we need 22.5 cups of flour, I believe. I don't know.
Okay, here's the flour thing. Do we need the white flour or the brown flour?
It would be 2.5. Oh. This is it. Wait, 1/4. It's 1/4. 1/4 and 2. We are gonna need some help real quickly.
Okay.
You talk with them.
Okay. So we have some eggs. Here's sugar.
Okay, so we are back, and now I know what to do. Okay, so pour the flour in.
Oh, that's all.
Oops, little another accident in the kitchen.
We now flat it.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Yep, 2 cups. Pour it in. No, pour it in.
Okay.
I'm gonna be careful.
All of it.
Yep, and then 1/4. Won't need that much. Made a little mess, but hey, everyone makes mistakes.
Yeah.
You don't think we really need that much. I think that's enough.
Yeah. I hope we doesn't get too much sugar.
Wait, we need a little bit more. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, it's coming all out. Yes, perfect. Okay, I put that one. Okay, next we need 1 teaspoon.
Okay, 1
Wait,
teaspoon.
so what does it say? TSP. Okay, you always. Wait, 1 teaspoon, just 1. Okay, there it is. Okay, so.
Can I do it, please?
Yes.
I'll try to.
Quickly. Dip it. Okay. Okay. You got my chocolate chip from the mess. Okay. 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 No more. Okay. Great. 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of great other salt. Okay. Okay. So here we go. Put it in. Oh, this is very hard. Okay. Oh, okay. No one knows. Okay. That was way more than 1 tablespoon, but I just hope that cookies are hopefully too salty. to.
Yeah, accidents.
A lot of accidents happen, especially when it's just kids. Looks very salty. All right, so next we need Great Value sweet cream butter.
Okay, Logan, you.
Soften. Okay, so the butter.
Okay, you do that. And
Okay, you have to microwave your butter. We don't know how long.
Logan, we already did it.
No, this is butter. All right, so ready? Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom because I really.
Okay,
need-
brief intermission. I will run things without you, okay?
Okay.
But I will save your egg for crack. Okay, next we need Okay, so 3/4 of a cup. Okay, of sugar. Thank you for. Please. Okay. Okay, that's good. And then. Little bit extra, so we all pour it in. That's good.
Okay. Squeeze.
Okay.
Okay.
There.
I'm back.
Look at that. I saved our sugar. Okay, it's like Mount Rushmore. Okay.
Ooh,
Man.
it looks like snow.
I know. It looks a lot like snow. All right. Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. There's the brown sugar.
Yeah. Brown sugar is very delicious.
Why did mommy put it in the bag?
Yeah, I don't know why. Okay.
Okay.
Strength. Okay.
Was that fun, guys?
Yeah. All right. So, oh my God, this smells great. 3/4 a cup. Wow. All right. Well, that's actually. Wait. Wrong side. Oopsies. Wait. That's the metric. Wait. Where is the 3/4 line? I think we lost it with the butter. Wait. I don't see it. Oh. Actually, that is more helpful. Oh, that's wrong cup. Oopsies. Yeah. This one. Marty. Come on. Yeah, sometimes they
Can
get.
I have one?
No. We can't eat our. We cannot
That
eat it.
tastes good.
I know, but don't eat
Don't,
this.
don't take all of it, Logan.
I'm trying to just get it all out. I think we're gonna need some help. Yeah, alright. We're gonna call in some help. Okay.
Yeah.
That's enough. Pour it in. Don't lick your hand. Okay, don't lick your hands. You always wash your hands. Okay, now pour it in. Pour it in. You want to pour it in? Okay, it's gonna be like a big blob. Okay. Next we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I always like to
You
go
wanna
a
make
little
this
bit. So I put in a little bit. Actually, oh yeah, yeah. I like to put in extra, but that was too much.
Okay. So cute.
So these are gonna be very sweet, very salty, terrible cookies. But I mean, we did our best. We did not have adults. Okay, so
Before you make cookies, you should wash your hands.
next we are gonna work on our eggs. Okay, so you put them in a separate bowl, and then you here. Here. Okay, give me the bowl. I'm gonna do it first. Let me demonstrate. Okay, so this is why this sucker was in there. And then whoop. And make sure you don't get any of the shells in there. So no shells.
It's okay
If you get it on your egg. Yeah, but just don't lick it because it's raw eggs and they can make you very sick. Okay, so alright, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Alright, I'm back.
Can you throw this out?
you get any shells? No shells. All right, Nora.
I'm gonna go wash my hands so you can say hi to the baby.
All right, so next we need, all right, so we pour this in, beep plop. Okay, so now we're gonna get a mixer. All right, alrighty, so I'm gonna turn the camera. All right, so now we're gonna blend. Now I got so many safety instructions. So now,
Mother and Daddy.
okay, so wait, hang on, just one more big question. Okay, so we are ready to blend. Okay, guys.
It's kind of noisy. Yeah.
You want to press down and go around in circles.
Yeah.
And anytime you need to scrape it off the sides, like so.
Then stir it a little.
Yeah. Stir it into the middle.
It's
It's like a giant blob.
no, it's like sinking.
Yeah, it's like a blob. And it's gonna be a little rough, so. And it's
Yeah.
gonna be loud, so those for you sensitive ears.
I always wow.
Come on. Okay. And
I think is it done?
it's pretty much battered. Alright, let's check with our supervisor.
Sorry, it's touching so
Okay, so
hard.
we are okay, so we are back and it's all mixed approved. Now let's put in the chocolate chips.
Yum.
Okay, so 1.5 PKG. Don't know what that is. So
Well, what's it?
Package. So it's the whole pack of chips, baby.
oh, and here,
The whole pack of chips, yep, that whole bag.
All right, so hold on. I just dropped it. All right, just open it. Let it rip. All right, that's all. I think we should. We're gonna add a little bit more from the remainings of the ones. These ones were left on the counter. So no, don't pat it down, Nora. You mix it by hand. It's very hard to.
Because we make it a little slimy.
Oh, go back in there.
Okay, I'm gonna get a taste of it now.
No.
After you stir it, okay?
Okay, yes. I will ask the supervisor if it is okay. Okay, maybe.
It's going in my Sorry.
Okay. This is so hard. Oh my god. Be strong. And this may look easy, but it's actually very difficult.
Yeah.
Yum. Indeed, Nora.
I'm saying hiya.
Oh, yeah. 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 Okay. Woo. All right. Well.
He needs a baby spin.
Nora, all right. Can we stop fooling around and make some chocolate chips? Maybe we can fool around with chocolate chip survivor. Not for long. Okay. Well, this is pretty well mixed. I might need some help. Okay, so we are enjoying this delicious masterpiece. And now, alright, so now we're moving to our next step. This. And looks to be okay. Now it might take a couple times to do, like to get it out. I think it needs more. Oh, come on, out. Yeah! And these are gonna turn into soft, delicioso cookies. Okay. But I don't recommend eating raw eggs, so don't. We are because we just always do them. We're kids, like, yeah. All right. Out. Now, I know, it's gonna take a few tries. Great. And if you have extras, put it in a container and freeze it, because maybe you want to make cookies again. And all you have to do is just unfreeze it for a little bit, and then you put it on scoop it up like this. Here we go. And you put it on a tray, and then into the oven you go. Okay. Yeah. 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so timer set to 8, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll do 9. We'll go in the middle. So that way it's not right or wrong. Both. Okay. Let me do that, and then we open this. Right. I feel like I should get a glove. Okay. My glove. My DIY glove.
Just in case if it burns in there.
Oh. Wait, does it go sideways? Like this? Like this?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, that's good. Okay. So timer set. 9 minutes. Now you can do it from 8, 10, or 9. Okay, so we will do a thingy, whatever they're called, fast forward, and then we will try the delicious cookies and see how they turned out with all the mistakes. But who knows? Mistakes bring great things. So who knows? Okay, so our cookies are done. We have let them cool off. Now we're gonna try them. Cheers. All right. The salt brings into the chocolate, makes it good, and the extra vanilla just makes it sweet.
Yeah.
I give this a 7 out of 10. I mean, this isn't our best work, but at least we're improving. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and these delicious cookies, and we will see you guys soon. Bye, cuties.